Yeah. I thought I found the one, the love of my life. But then you came along and opened my eyes. I couldn't believe it, the truth was hard to see. The one I thought I loved wasn't right for me. You showed me the ugly side, but darkness hidden. I thought I found the one, but he was the devil within. Now I see the truth, because real love is true, and you are the real deal. Yeah. But then you came along.
She just like, who's going to cook that? No, I beg, please don't even go there, sir. Come on now, just want to cook. No, I have to study. Why are you always running away from cooking when you know you're an aspiring chef? Eh?
Because I'm not getting paid for it yet. You know how I am with money now.
At least that's your stomach be your motivation for now.
Not enough. You do know I can survive very well with just provisions, right?
That's not fair. No, don't worry. I'll cook. But you see, this food, even ordinary oil will not taste. You're laughing. I just watch now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go and cook it first.
To shock you.
What is it? Won't I eat again?
I thought you said you can survive on provisions.
Not when there's a delicious pot of food in this room. Please.
Sorry. Hey baby, what's up? You're coming? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll be here waiting. Okay, bye. Love you.
Desmond?
Yep.
Yes! Finally, someone interesting I can talk with.
Wow, so you prefer my own boyfriend's company to mine? Okay.
Sister, have you met you? You're boring. You prefer those gigantic medical books to me.
Then why don't you just join me study instead? It's not that hard.
Please, no. I'm only here because of my parents. Once I get that degree, I'll hand it over to them and start pushing for my professional chef career.
Hi.
Hey, babe.
Hi. Come on, bro.
Well, thank you. Hi.
Fine, thank you. What's in the bag?
I bought some bananas.
Oh. Oh. And more bananas.
Yeah.
Can I have some later?
Sure.
I'm full. Let me leave you guys to yourselves. I'll be in the room.
I'm not interested in your food, so it doesn't matter.
I didn't buy you. So, how the last interview attended? I'm sure the results will be out by now. I'm itching to know.
I wasn't contacted for the final one.
Ha! Brian. If I'm not mistaken, this interview should be the 8th one you've attended. And I was 100% sure you were going to clinch this job based off of what you told me. Or did you lie to me? Honestly, when I met you, I thought that with your first class grade, you get a job easily.
No, Priya, don't do this. Don't do this. You see, the thought of all this is not making the jump hunt less frustrating.
Brian, that's not your focus. Your focus now should be to get a job. Just get a goddamn job, Brian. Or do you want to go into business?
Business? Business, Priya? I don't even have the capital for business, neither do I have the experience.
Oh, hey Desmond.
Hi, Priya. How are you?
Good.
And where is my baby, please?
In the room. I'm sure she's studying.
I know that. Thank you. Hey, baby. Look at you.
Look at you.
Look at you. Here you go. I wonder why I was holding it in my hands. Yeah, I got you.
You got me this?
Mm-hmm.
Do you always have to give me something?
Something. Babe, this is not just something. This is designers.
Oh. You know that I'm not trendy like you guys now.
Not to worry, I got you covered.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, reading as always.
You know my second MBA exams will write itself. So.
True.
Can I get you anything?
Nothing at all. I will just sit beside you and admire your beautiful face.
Okay.
Just focus. You know what? I should probably be on my way. You're getting a bit too cranky for what I don't know.
Good. I actually need to take my siesta.
Fine, you should get a nap then. I'll talk to you later. Baby, you almost done?
Not really. Babe. I think you give me some time to just study.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm just going to allow you to do what you're going to do.
Just you have to give me time.
What, are you saying I'm distracting you?
Yes, I have a test tomorrow and nothing has entered my head yet.
You know what? I'm not here. Can you see me?
No,
you
I can
can't
see
me. Don't worry, you can't see me. You can't see me.
Hey! My in-law.
I'm ready.
Sorry, Madam Cambridge. See, just let me greet my in-law. Better one for that matter.
Hey Priya, what's up?
We're here still forming managers, sir.
Managers, how?
But still they try and manage this economy now. And it's not easy.
Oh my. Wait, Priya, you mean now?
Yeah, so.
Whoa, both of you. Oh yeah, out. I have a
Please.
test tomorrow.
Let's leave your wife. Let's go to the common room.
My princess, I'm stepping out now. You know you're the mother of my unborn children and I don't want to worry. Trust me. Okay, I'm out. You're gonna take your time, okay? Just relax. When she's like this, I just used to lie down. But since, move on. Hi. Stepping out. Can you see me? Can you see me?
Hey, my in-law. How are you doing?
Please, sit.
Thank you.
You know, when my secretary mentioned a PA was here to see me, I thought it was someone I fixed an appointment with.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's a coincidence. Oh, well, I know you're a busy man, so I'll make this quick.
Yes, please.
After our discussion yesterday, I made you this.
You make me food?
Yes. Even if you've eaten, please just promise me you have a taste of it.
Oh, okay. Sure, I will. Thank you for the kind gesture.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Alright. Thank you. Hello? Oh, please, send her in, please. Thank you. Do you really need to knock? Oh, my baby girl. Come here. Miss you too. Look at how fine you looking, girl.
Oh, please.
Come here.
So how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. How's work?
Work is going well. I must say thank you for coming to see your husband at work today.
Husband, okay.
Uh-huh. Is that not where we are headed? Remember, you're the one that asked that I give you some time.
Yeah, but let me jump some hurdles first. Like my MB exams. And then when I get to housemanship, we can go ahead with the wedding.
No. Babe, that's 4 years away. And you do know I'm waiting for other things too. Other things that are very important. Wait, are you saying I'm going to wait another 4 years? Babe!
What's that? This fast, it looks familiar.
Oh! your friend, Priye, she stopped by and dropped this for me. The food, yeah.
For what reason?
Wait, you didn't know?
I didn't know.
Okay. Yeah. So, while you were busy reading, she mentioned that she's aspiring to be a chef. She did not know how to go about it and she was scared where to start from. So I encouraged her to, take the bull by the horn. If this is really what she really wants to do, she should go for it. So I advised that if she wants to start up, she needs to start with people within her reach. So I guess that's why, she decided to bring the food for me today.
Oh.
Yeah, so what can I get you, girl?
you're back. Is everything okay?
Since when did you start cooking for my boyfriend?
Oh, that.
Oh, that. You don't even cook here. I do the cooking. But the first chance you get, you go over to Desmond to go cook for him. You even went all the way to his office. I don't understand. Are you trying to make me look like I'm uncaring or what?
No, never. You know me. I would never do such a thing. Not to anyone, especially you. I was just trying to pursue my dream. I mean, he was the one who told me that I should sell my business to those around me. And you and I know that it can't be you or my boyfriend, because you both are broke like me. Sorry. Oh, wait, no, you know it's not like that.
Sure, I want you to say.
I will.
Hey,
Hey.
can I join you? How are you?
I'm good.
Sorry, where's Priya?
She stepped out a few minutes ago. Yeah.
Oh, she stepped out.
Mm-hmm.
How can she step out when she knew I was coming?
She knew you were coming.
Look, I'm telling you, I specifically called her to, ensure that she was home. And she told me she was home. I told her I was coming.
Maybe she forgot.
Forgot? Look, we spoke a few minutes ago. How can she forget? She's not picking up. Look, I don't understand your friends sometimes.
So just relax, okay? Just wait here for her. Just wait for the girl. She'll be back in, I don't know, but I feel like she'll be back soon. Sorry.
It's okay, it's not your fault.
Ooh, yeah. I thought I found the one, the love of my life. But then you came along and opened my eyes. I couldn't believe it, the truth was hard to see. The one I thought I loved wasn't right for me. You showed me the ugly side, but darkness hidden. I thought I found the one, but he was the devil within. Now I see the truth, because real love is true, and you are the real deal. Before you came into my life, I thought I knew what true love felt like. Yeah. But then you came along and showed me what true love is like.
Don't you have classes?
Of course I do. But my first class is by 11 a.m.
So why did you now shower before me?
Because they were going to seize the water, so of course I had to get ready.
Oh yeah, that's true. Well, I have classes by 8:30 today, so I have to be early. Where's my glasses? Oh, okay, it's inside. I'm leaving. Don't forget to lock this door.
Sure.
Bye.
Bye.
Priya, are you avoiding me?
What do you mean by that?
You know exactly what I'm talking about, Priya. I've been here several times on several occasions. I'm sure Jerome must have told you.
Brian, I'm here to study, okay? I'm in school to study, so I can't always be around.
Exactly my point. That is the more reason why I'm concerned about you. Priya, I've been to your class several times. I even went there today and you caused me the writing test.
Wait, Brian. You stalk me now?
Stalk you? How? I mean, I'm only looking out for you.
Well, I haven't paid my school fees. So I went out looking for money. That's why I wasn't allowed to write the test.
Priya, you told me that your dad gave you money for school fees. Did you forget?
So is the only school fees they pay in school? What about textbooks, handouts, levies, my upkeep? Who pays for them?
Look, I understand, okay? I do lead so I can with the little freelance job that I have, and you know that.
Well, the economy is hard, and little can't cut it anymore. See, Brian, I went around looking for money and I'm very tired. I need to rest, Brian.
Priya, wait now.
Hi.
Hey.
Are you alright?
It's just your friend acting so unnecessarily difficult. I mean, I don't know what I did to her to deserve all these cold shoulders.
Is she bad?
Yes.
Okay. Let me try and talk to her. Sorry.
Hey. Welcome.
So what's up? What's happening now? Brian has been complaining about your attitude towards him recently.
That's his business.
But did he do anything wrong to you, or am I missing something here?
Pedro, I am neck deep in debts. I need financial help and Brian can't offer that to me.
See, that he's unemployed today doesn't mean that it will remain like that forever.
At this point, he will. It's glaring.
Come on now, don't say that. This guy is the nicest man you know, and you know that. He gives you everything he makes. And he's even a first-class graduate, so it's easy for him to clinch a good job.
See, I'm tired. I'm tired of hearing that. In fact, that was the reason I actually accepted this relationship. If he's a first-class graduate, why can't he clinch a lucrative job? Or can you date a liability like Brian? Please.
Come on now, what has come over you? I don't understand. Why are you sounding like this?
Pedro, please. Please, I'm tired.
I can't face Brian all day and then come and face your whining. Please.
Oh wow, so now I'm...
Priya.
Honestly, I'm so confused. Like I don't know what's going on. We'll see. Everything will be fine, okay? It's okay.
I see Ejiro, I'm in the dark. I really don't understand what's going on. See, the only thing she complained about was that I was broke from the freelancing job that I was doing. You see, I got that 60,000 naira and put it in your friend's account, and the only thing I got was sin. She up to today, she hasn't even seen a proper thank you.
Everything will be fine, okay? It's just normal relationship things, the ups and the downs.
I hope so. I really hope so. This is weighing me down. I have a lot to do. Aside freelancing job, I have to take other jobs to put food on my table.
And how's that going for you?
I don't even know what to say. I don't know.
See, you can't afford to give up at this point. You can't. You just have to keep trying. Keep working.
I'm trying.
I believe that one day you'll smile again. I know. It's okay.
Yeah, Brian.
Hey, beautiful. How are you doing today?
Good.
Did you see the money I sent to you now?
Sit.
Okay. Well, I was paid some money, so I decided to send you 50k from it, so at least you could sort out some things in school. But you say you got it, right? Okay then. I'll just try and come and see you this evening. I'll be traveling for
Brian, network. I can't hear you. What is telecom, eh? Rubbish. 50k for what? Can 50k even buy me a good hair now? See, please, leave me alone. Let a better man find me.
Hey. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
I know you're always fine.
No flattering.
I'm not, okay? Where is Priya?
Priya, she stepped out now.
She stepped out. You know what? I think Priya is doing this on purpose. This is intentional, but the question is why?
She didn't tell you she was leaving?
She didn't tell me, and I actually thought I was coming. Look, this is... Come on, I'm getting really tired of...
I'm sorry, I... Pray. I'll talk to her. I'll talk to her. Brie. Thank God you're here. Brian said he wanted to talk to you. I'm going to leave you guys.
You see, Priya, if you are tired of this relationship, just say so. Okay, just spit it out. I mean, you keep repeating the same thing over and over again. I told you I was coming, but yet you left. Listen, I am traveling for a very important interview, okay? And I need to be in the right frame of mind. I don't really need all this drama.
An interview? What interview?
The tech koi, they finally contacted me for the last one.
Really?
Yes. You see, I don't really need this drama right now. Okay? I know that things are a bit tough for you right now. But I mean, you shouldn't take it out on everyone.
Sorry.
Hi, how are you? Good morning. Okay. Yes.
Good day.
How are you?
Do you know anyone living here named Priye? She's a little bit tall, she's fair, and she's slow.
Priye,
Yes.
the tall girl.
Yes.
Fair.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Just go straight like this. The second room by your left. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Who's there? She's coming now. Daniel!
Sister.
What are you doing here? And how did you find me?
Sister, I've been looking for you everywhere. I've been walking around outside for hours, asking people for your whereabouts. I tried reaching you, but your number hasn't been reachable.
Why are you here? What for?
Sister, please, can I at least sit down? The journey has been very long, all the way from Port Harcourt.
So, did I ask you to come? Who asked you to come here?
Mommy did.
Why? Why would she tell you to come here?
Sister, Daddy's dead. He died 2 nights ago. He wanted to talk to you before he passed on, but your number wasn't reachable.
So he passed away. Daddy, you did your best for us when we were younger. Unfortunately, things are just so rough for you. The change of government, the new one refused to pay you for your contract. think you struggled and struggled to get back on your feet. And nothing worked. To think you did all you could till you gave up the ghost. Life indeed is very unpredictable.
That's what life has taught me. I mean, Daddy was very wealthy when we were kids. People even depended on us for handouts. How the table has turned.
This is so painful. Hi.
It is.
I can't even imagine what you must be going through right now. I'm so sorry.
He actually started a new business before he passed. He never gave up. He kept on trying. But then he got disappointed and he got sick. Then death.
It's okay. It's okay. Hmm? You will pull through. I know.
How? My mom doesn't have anything. Yes, my father didn't have, but at least he paid school fees. My mom still has mouths to feed. What is she going to do?
It's okay.
I don't even have strength.
It's okay. What if you start your food business now? I mean, it may not be as big as you want it to be, but I know of students that started small and then they became popular online.
I don't have that kind of money. And I'm not like you who has a rich boyfriend who can sponsor me. I can't do that.
Listen, I'll give you money from my savings. Huh? Yes.
Ejiro.
Yes, I'll give you money from my savings and you can use the money to start somewhere. At least just start something.
Ejiro.
Hmm?
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay.
You're like a sister to me, you know that, right? Thank you.
Sister Adriel, thank you so much.
It's okay. So, when do you plan on going back for your father's burial?
The thing is, I don't know. Mommy said we don't have enough funds for the burial and we may have to wait for our uncles to help us.
I'm so sorry. You two should accept my condolences once again.
Thank you, Sister Adriel. You are really a nice person.
It's okay.
Sister, aren't you eating your food?
With this news, I don't have an appetite.
Sorry. Well, let me help myself. So I'm still hungry. Sorry. notice, bro.
You just give it thin slices. So you can use it to garnish it. And once we're done, to come out fine. Ah! Daniel! What's going on now?
Why is that all you do? All you know how to do is just to eat?
Right. You know that there's no food back at home.
Well, this is business.
Yes. I wanted to ask you. The other day that I was calling your phone, it was unreachable. Why?
Well, the money daddy sent me for school fees, I used it to take care of my upkeep. And I didn't write most of the exams, so I carried many courses over. Right now, I'm at risk of being thrown out of school.
Right.
Daniel, this is my culinary business and I have to focus on it.
Okay, sorry. But why did you use your school fees to buy other things?
I can't wear rags to school, Daniel.
You see, this is why you need to have a rich boyfriend.
Well, some of us are not as lucky as the rest. Yeah. Kuri, you really ruined my video. I have to take a nap. And okay, the cucumber.
Ejiro, nobody's buying anything.
Come on now, you have to calm down. You just started this business like when? 2 days ago.
So, am I supposed to consume all the meals I prepare? Sure, I don't have that kind of money to waste. And besides, I still have to pay back the money you lent me for this business. I'm swimming in debts here.
I never said I lent you money. I said I would give you my savings, which I did.
Ejiro, thank you. My God will bless you in every area of your life.
It's okay. Amen. Amen. But see, you can't afford to give up so easily. You can't. It's true now. This money can do a lot of things for you. And who knows, you could be the next Hilda Bassi when your business starts blooming. It's true now.
I'm just not certain about this thing. I mean, I thought that once you cook and post on socials, everybody will just start ordering.
I understand. But you have to also understand that nothing new starts off easily.
Yeah.
And there are other people that were there before you. But you know what I think?
What?
I think you should devise your own strategy.
What kind of strategy?
You know, Desmond said something the other time. He said that you could start by cooking for people that you're familiar with.
Ejiro, you don't mind me making Desmond one of my clients?
Not at all. I'll even encourage him to support your business. My friend must eat too.
You're an angel!
Oh,
thank you.
it's okay.
Let me get to it.
What was I?
Come in, please.
Hey, good afternoon.
Then my in-law.
Right on time. Thank you so much. See, I'm so famished right now.
Oh.
Did you drop my secretary his own food?
Yes, I did. I gave it to him on my way in.
Fantastic. Great. Thank you.
There you go. There's more.
This is double dose. Thank you so much.
No, I'm the one thanking you. I mean, through you, I got to meet 3 new clients who I give food to. I'm very grateful.
Don't mention her. Don't mention anything for my baby girl, Ejiro.
Oh!
You see that fine girl? She's my wife.
Of course she is. She doesn't have a choice. I mean, that's why I call you my in-law, because she's like a sister to me.
Mm-hmm. Unequivocally, she's such a sweetheart.
She is.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
You're back.
Hey, I'm so sorry for your loss, okay?
Thank you.
How are you coping?
Ejiro lent me money to start up my cooking business.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, as a student, that's all I've been doing. No loved one to help me. How did your interview go?
I couldn't get it.
Brian, what's going on? Are you cursed?
What do you mean by that? Listen, I refuse to believe that I'm cursed, okay? I'm not the only one in this situation, so why would you say I'm cursed? Besides, you're in school, you don't know how these things are. I mean, when you get out, you realize that this world is a cold world.
Cold for you. I won't go through that. I have a choice. See, Brian, I have to go and prepare an order for one of my top clients, so...
I'll see you later then.
Suit yourself.
Yes. That will be all my order to Nigeria. It will be delivered on the said date, right? Very well then. Thank you very much. Yes, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Hey.
Hey, welcome, Priya.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi. She's coming. Who's this?
Oh, this is my brother.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please.
Oh.
Well.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
You didn't go to the office today? I was surprised when you told me I should bring your order here.
Yeah, I didn't. I had one or two to tidy up here at home. So, yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
I'm here. Oh, please. Thank you very much. Pardon my manners. What can I get you to?
Anything is fine.
Anything is fine, please.
Yes.
I'll be right back. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sister, is this Idru's boyfriend's house?
Yes.
And your boyfriend is still looking for a job?
What's that supposed to mean?
I'm just wondering why you couldn't back someone like this. Because we even need it more than Ejiro. Her parents are still alive and they are financially stable.
Daniel.
Sis, let's be real with ourselves. Do you think you are still going to continue with your education? Daddy that was struggling to pay your school fees is dead. I've told you now.
Oh, sorry guys, I'm back. Please.
Thank you.
Let me just do the one. No, I had to just grab it from the fridge. Yeah. Yeah. 30 minutes. Is there something you want to watch? Just.
Oh.
It's fine.
Okay, yes.
Okay. You know what? Okay. Feel free.
Stage, you're welcome.
Priya,
Yeah?
don't you think it's time to, don't you think it's time for your brother to go back home? I mean, he's not doing anything here. See, if you let these younger ones stay around, they'll start thinking that money is easy to find.
That's true. He has been getting very comfortable here. It's like he doesn't want to go.
His mom may even need him in the house.
Yeah, I'll talk to him.
Right now. I'm going to the lounge to read.
Okay. Hey, Brian. No, I'm not free. You can't come around tomorrow either. Brian, I'll let you know when I'm free. Okay. Bye.
Was that your boyfriend, Brian?
Yeah.
Why are you still entertaining that guy now? He's useless to you. Sis, think about it.
Hey. Brian is a selfless guy. His poverty is just very annoying. But he went for an interview at a very big company. Who knows? He might get picked.
Sis, leave all those poor man love. That is not what you need right now.
Daniel, do you think I've not been searching for a rich boyfriend? Who wants to suffer?
But it still doesn't negate the fact that you're still with him. I mean, he's useless to you. See, do you remember that our neighbor, Stella?
Of course.
Do you know that her boyfriend bought her a brand new GLE Benz automatic?
Huh?
He even sent 2 of her brothers abroad.
Are you serious?
They are planning to move out of the neighborhood. He's even building a house for her parents.
Wait, a young man or somebody's husband?
I don't care about that one. No. All I know is that he's her boyfriend. See, sis, I noticed something about Uncle Desmond. It's the way he looks at you.
Shut up, Daniel.
But it's true, sis. Just pay attention. You're even more beautiful than that Ejiro. It's not surprising he likes you.
Even if it's so, it's not right.
Which one is it's not right? Are you and Ejiro blood related? After all, you even need him more than her. Just think about it.
Hello, Priye. I'm hungry. Oh. Oh, okay. You know what? I need to get somewhere immediately. Just drop it off with my secretary. He will get it across to me. Oh, okay. Okay. From there, I'll be heading home. That's the thing. So. Okay. Okay. That's fine then. That's fine then. Okay. So. Yeah.
Hey.
Hi.
Good evening.
Oh, sorry, please come in. I hope the food is still hot.
Yeah, I made it hot before I came.
Okay. I will just get. I'll just eat right away. Okay.
I should be leaving now. I wouldn't want to disturb you after work.
No, you're not. You're not disturbing me. I would need some company, and I like your company. So please, you don't have to leave.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, sure. Have you sit? Yeah. So. Hey.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. How are you? How's school and how's studies?
School. Just pushing you.
Where is Priya?
Priya, I haven't seen her since I got back.
Okay.
Hey Daniel. Where's Priya? Did she tell you where she was going?
I don't know where she is.
You see that boy, Daniel? That boy doesn't like me. I don't know why.
Ignore him. He's a juvenile. That's how they are sometimes. Or maybe he's just being overprotective of his sister.
Overprotective.
See, we can't let Ejiro know about this.
I agree. But I'd love for this to continue.
Sure.
Okay, let me see you. I need some help.
I'm good.
Okay. Careful.
Sis, welcome back.
Hey.
This one you are carrying on this bag. What's inside?
Goodies and more goodies.
Wow. This one must be for me, Abby.
Of course.
It's nice, so. Is it a Desmond that put? Shh.
Careful.
Sorry. Sister, now I told you.
Well, I must admit, you are one smart little bro.
Which one is little bro now? I'm not more a little bro. You're just 2 years older than me.
Yeah, you're still my younger brother, little brother.
Sister, wait now, let me continue looking at it.
Prem,
Yeah?
I noticed you stopped cooking lately. Hope everything is okay.
Yeah. Everything is fine. I mean, business has just been going slow, so I quit.
But I've been seeing you with money, so how come if your business is... How come?
It is what it is.
Are you sure you're not hiding anything from me?
No, never. Trust me.
Oh, sorry.
What is it now? Can't you knock?
Sorry.
Pri, what is going on now? I've asked you when is he leaving. I don't like all these things, though.
Why do you mean me today like this? What's with all this question? Sorry, bro. Queen Elizabeth.
Pretty.
Yeah.
I'm still dazed. Trust me, I'm still dazed. What is this? Swing it, girl. Easy on me, girl. Say, honestly, come here. You know what? You were simply the best.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Of course. So tell me, what do you need? Talk to me. Tell me, what do you need?
Well, just give me the money. I mean, you know me. I like getting my own things.
You know, your middle name should have been Money. Ego. But that's no problem. I got you. Anyways. There you go.
Yeah, thank you, baby.
You're welcome. You know what? I am equally going to your place to see Eiichiro. Why not hop in, but you'll have to alight before I get to your place.
Okay, sure, babe.
Alright, after you, girl. After you. Swing that waist, girl. Okay.
Do you know what, Ejo? You're always so easy to talk to. I mean, of course, you have the wisdom of a granny. So
Wait, are you now saying that I'm a grandma? Are you now calling me a granny? Is that what you're saying?
That's not what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about.
I don't know.
You know.
I don't know.
Listen, like,
Hey.
Babe, can I have a word with you inside?
Okay. Sorry, do you want to hold me up?
After you. Babe, I'm not comfy with the way that guy gets close to you.
Who? Brian. Oh, please. That's Priya's man. He's not like that.
That's why I said, you may mean no harm, but I don't trust that guy. That guy wants more than he's getting from you.
So what am I? A toy that doesn't have its say right? So if he wants something from me, I should enable him. Is that what you're saying? Honestly, this is an insult to me because...
Babe, no. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I know you're not that kind of lady. It's just that
It's just what? You're jealous? Come on now. There's no reason to. It's me. It's me, Eju.
I know. I just love you so much that I never want to lose you to anyone.
You won't. Okay? I love you too.
Yeah. I thought I found the one.
I got you this.
But then you came along and opened my eyes.
You've been getting me things recently as double.
Couldn't believe it.
So has my love for you. You're such an angel.
I loved wasn't right for me.
Hey! You're not just gonna give me that cold shoulders anymore.
I thought I found the one.
Look, I deserve to know what's going on, Priya. You've been avoiding me.
Brian, leave me alone. Hey, I'm tired and I need rest, okay?
You see, anytime I get to see you, it is one excuse after another. What is really going on? What is wrong?
Brian, read the room and stop coming.
Relax. What do you even mean by read the room? What is here to read?
Brian, I have given enough time to this relationship and it's not working for me. It's over, Brian.
I'm sorry, what do you mean by enough time? Priya, enough time. It's over. Listen, I understand how you feel, okay? I know you have a lot going on in your plate right now, and I know you don't even know what you're saying, so I'll give you some time to, just come back.
The one who truly cares is here. Thank you for showing me the
Kiss it again.
Now I know what you came into my life.
I love how you make
I thought I knew what
Hey! Where have you been? Brian has been waiting long hours for you. Have you seen him yet?
That's his business.
Is she okay? What's wrong with her?
Babe, let her be. That's why Brian is here, okay? He'll speak to her.
Let me just...
Mother bear. Easy, think about yourself for once now. Huh? I understand, don't worry. She'll be fine. Brian is around. Yeah. She's a lot, right? Calm down.
I'll always cherish this lesson and hold on to what is true and real. Your love is the real deal. Before you came into my life.
Oh, hey. Brian. How are you? I was actually trying to, call you, but you've not been picking, so I just decided that you needed time and space.
Yeah, I actually needed time, but it's just not working.
It's okay.
You know, I saw this coming. It hasn't been easy. I have never been in this situation before. I have never been nothing short of a nice person to your friend.
It's okay. It's okay. You know, like they say, time heals wounds. So I'm sure you'll be fine.
I hope so. Come on, what's up with you? Are you going for a date?
Oh, yeah, my man, he discovered this place and he wants me to see it. But I'd like you to come.
Me?
Yeah.
No. I mean, why would I?
I just feel like you need company at this point.
Well, I do need company. I mean, which is why I came here. But I wouldn't do that to your man. I mean, he wouldn't even approve of that.
No. You don't know this one. He loves me silly. Like, if I tell him now that I want you to come over, you will have no choice than to agree, so it's no big deal.
I feel you, Adrian. You see, I know that you are a very selfless person. Okay? But I wouldn't do that to your man. As a matter of fact, I think I should be leaving so you can prepare for your date.
Okay. I tried.
You try. Take care. And by the way, you look good.
Ooh, yeah. I thought I found the one, the love of my life. But then you came along and opened my eyes. I couldn't believe it, the truth was hard to see. The one I thought I loved wasn't right for me. You showed me the ugly side, the darkness hidden. I thought I found the one, but he was the devil within. Now I see the truth, because real love is true, and you are the real deal. Before you came into my life, I thought I knew what true love felt like. Yeah. But then you came along
Babe? Babe?
Get your down. You're so... Such a... Come here. Like you are. Trust me, you are. How do you do? Ejiro, please stop. Please.
Get out of my way. Get out!
Ejiro! Kind of mess up.
The love of my life. But then you came along and opened my eyes. I couldn't believe it, the truth was hard to see. The one I thought I loved wasn't right for me. You showed me the ugly side, the darkness hidden. I thought I found the one, but he was the devil within. Now I see the truth, because real love is true, and you are the real deal.
Before you came into my life, I thought I knew what true love felt like.
Yeah.
But then you came along and showed me what true love is like. I thought he told the truth, but it was all lies. Thank you for your love that opened my eyes. Your love opened my eyes.
Yeah, it did.
Ichiro, I came immediately you called. Are you okay? Honestly, I'm not okay. What's wrong? Hey. It's okay. Hey. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. You can talk to me, okay? I mean, you need to talk to someone. You need my help.
I caught Desmond with girl.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, okay?
Brian, that girl was pregnant.
What?
I thought I found the one, the love of my life. But then you came along and opened my eyes. I couldn't believe it, the truth was hard to see. The one I thought I loved wasn't right for me. You showed me the ugly side, but darkness hidden. I thought I found the one, but he was the devil within. Now I see the truth, because real love is true, and you are the real deal.
Before you came into my life, I thought I knew what true love felt like.
Yeah.
But then you came along and showed me what true love is like. I thought he told the truth, but it was all lies. Thank you for your love that opened my eyes. Your love opened my eyes.
Yeah, it did. It hurts to know I was blinded by my own desires. Oh, now I see the light. My heart is on fire. Yeah. For the one who truly cares, the one who's always there, the one who showed me the truth, the one who truly cares is here. Thank you for showing me the truth. Now I know what true love is.
Before you came into my life, I thought I knew what true love felt like.
Yeah.
But then you came along and showed me what true love is like. I thought he told the truth, it was all lies.
All lies.
Thank you for your love that opened my eyes.
Open my eyes.
Your love opened my eyes.
Your love opened my eyes. Yeah, God. Thanks for showing me the truth, for showing me the light. Thank you. I'll always cherish this lesson and hold on to what is true and real. Your love is the real deal.
Before you came into my life, I thought I knew what true love felt like. But then you came along and showed me what true love is like.
Who's there?
He told the truth.
It's me, Joe. Can I come in?
Come in.
Hey. How are you doing today?
I'm not gonna lie, my head is pounding.
Sorry. I mean, you cried a lot yesterday. You even slept in my arms at the lounge.
So, how did I end up?
Oh yeah, I brought you in when you slept off. Yeah.
This isn't easy at all. It's not easy. Now I understand what you're going through.
hasn't been easy, Joe. It hasn't. I mean, which is why you need to move on. Yes. You see, you have a very important exams coming up. An exam that can determine your fate in the medical world. You need to move on. You didn't go to school yesterday. Look, I am here to make sure that you go to school today. I know. I know you got this.
Okay.
So please, get up and go take a shower. Come on. Here you go. Come here. It's alright.
Yeah, I'll be waiting for you at the lounge. Okay?
Why she not picking my call? Hello? What's this? No. Chiro, please. Chiro, please. Chiro.
What are you doing here? How dare you?
Chiro, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. Honestly, it's you I still want to marry. It's still you I want as a wife.
Do you know you are mad? In fact, do you know you are very stupid?
Yes. Yes. I'm only madly in love with you.
It is obvious now that you are very dull. You are so dull that nothing gets into your thick skull. It is over! Over and over! Stop disturbing my life!
You know you can't blame me, right? Yes. Ever since we've been dating, you have denied me conjugal rights. You keep saying to our wedding night.
Do you see why I call you dull? Do you now see why I call you dull? Isn't conjugal rights meant for married people? Isn't it? No, tell me! Well, at least you have someone now giving it to you, so why? What are you doing here whining and complaining?
No! No sex. Yet you were so quick to collect all the gifts.
But did I ask for any of them? Did I? Answer! You know what? I'm going to send you back all the gifts you ever gave to me. Yes, and I don't care if it takes days to get them delivered. Now get out of my face and my life forever. I don't want to ever see you.
Hey. Have you been crying?
I'm trying to be strong, but it's not easy. Sometimes I found myself crying when I'm alone.
It's okay, come
Brian, this is...
Come here, shh, come here.
This is double betrayal.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
How'd you do this though? I mean, your heart's too, but you're here consoling me instead.
You know, you see, yours and mine are different. See, I sensed all this earlier from Priya's body language. And just like you said, you got betrayed from two people you loved. I mean, it's understandable to feel the way you're feeling right now. But you'll be fine. Okay? Trust me, it's better to feel it now than later.
I guess.
You'll be okay. Alright? Sorry. It's fine. It's not fine. It's alright. You know what, let's go for a walk. It helps. Let's come on. Get out. Get off.
I thought I found the one, the love of my life. But then you came along and opened my eyes. I couldn't believe it, the truth was hard to see. The one I thought I loved wasn't right for me. You showed me the ugly side, the darkness hidden. I thought I found the one, but he was the devil within. Now I see the truth, because real love is true, and you are the real deal.
Before you came into my life, I thought I knew what true love felt like. But then you came along and showed me what true love is like. I thought he told the truth, but it was all lies. Thank you for your love that opened my eyes. Your love opened my eyes.
It hurts to know I was blind.
Yeah, welcome. Come this way. Let me help you with this. So, Daniel, you will be in the guest room while your sister will be with me in my room.
Okay, boss.
I'll show you around, okay?
No, you're talking.
I couldn't believe it, the truth was hard to see. The one I thought I loved wasn't right for me. You showed me the ugly side, but darkness hidden. I thought I found the one, but he was the devil within. Now I see the truth, because real love is true, and you are the real deal.
Before you came into my life,
It hurts to know I was blinded by my own desires. Oh, now I see the light. My heart is on fire. Yeah. For the one who truly cares, the one who's always there, the one who showed me the truth, the one who truly cares is here. Thank you for showing me the truth. Now I know what true love is.
Before you came into my life, I thought I knew what true love felt like.
Yeah, yeah.
But then you came along and showed me what true love is like. I thought he told the truth.
But it
was all lies.
All lies.
Thank you for your love that opened my eyes.
Open my eyes.
Your love opened my eyes.
Your love opened my eyes. Yeah, girl. Thanks for showing me the truth, for showing me the light. Thank you. I'll always cherish this lesson and hold on to what is true and real. Your love is the real deal.
Before you came into my life, I thought I knew what true love felt
like.
But then you came along and showed me what true love is like. I thought he told the truth, but it was all lies. Thank you for your love that opened my eyes.
Yes, I'm home, Ooh. Okay, I can't wait to hear it. I miss you too. I've been so lonely here. Okay. Bye.
Ooh, yeah. I thought I found the one, the love of my life. But then you came along and opened my eyes. I couldn't believe it, the truth was hard to see. The one that I loved wasn't right for me. Showed me the ugly side. Darkness hid.
You said you had something to tell me.
Oh yes, you never forget. But yeah, I do have something to tell you. I want you to take a guess.
Okay, so you got the job?
Oh my goodness, am I that predictable?
Wait, am I correct?
Well, I didn't just got a job. I got the job.
Oh my goodness! Wait, was it the one you traveled for?
Yes. So apparently they needed a replacement for someone who preferred to travel abroad. And I just turned out to be the most suitable candidate.
Oh my goodness. Wow, this is huge.
Yes, I know it. I mean, it's a win-win for both of us though.
Wow. I mean, you've been praying so much for this, and now it's finally here.
But yeah. Thank you, Vijay. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for giving me listening ears. I mean, if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have gotten this far. I really do appreciate.
Me too.
And I want this to continue forever.
Me too.
Come here.
You got that one.
Yeah, baby girl.
Hey.
You know what? Let's go to my room.
Eh? Go to where? What do you mean? Our room? And you, Vanessa, what are you doing here? What's going on?
I don't understand. How dare you try to interfere with my business in my own house? It seems like you don't know your place here anymore.
Desmond, what are you talking about? What do you mean?
We are not dating. I accepted you here in my house because you couldn't live with Ejiro anymore. Still doesn't give you the right to control my life. We are just friends.
Desmond, that's not true. Desmond, we're sleeping with each other.
So? You and I know how this started. We're just friends who got intimate. It is what it is. That is it. Oh, you thought I will take you serious after you betrayed your friend, your own friend.
Desmond, if I betrayed her, then what did you do to her?
Still doesn't change the fact that we are just friends. We are not in a relationship. Okay? So don't you try to dictate how I live my own life in my own house. You know what? I'm gonna keep seeing more of this, so get used to it. Okay? You and this liability of a teen. Anyway, there's enough food for the needy, so that's no problem.
Desmond.
Just shush. Come with me. Swing that waist, girl. Yeah.
Desmond.
Hey! Easy, don't rush. Swing it slow and soft. You see it's bouncing.
Also, babe, I got my appointment letter. I will be starting on Monday.
I'm just happy the establishment didn't post you to a different city. I would have been so mad.
Yes, I'm also happy as well. You know, our relationship is too fresh for us to be living in different cities.
Right.
The EFCC has arrested a fraudster named Desmond Martins alongside his gang. This notorious fraudster has been under investigation for a year before being nailed with incriminating evidence. This arrest happened yesterday at his residence. A lot of gadgets with incriminating evidence were found in his home.
Babe, that's Desmond.
That nigga was a fraudster.
Imagine what my life would have been if I was still with him. Chai.
When you know what they say, God's time is the best, yeah? And you never could tell what God has in stock for you. Stop disturbing yourself.
Wow, all those times I was having... Can you imagine I was having sleepless nights because of that guy?
Imagine what we would have turned into right now. Jeez.
I'm just so happy you came along. Thank you for loving me the right way.
Thank you too. I mean, you're the best thing that's ever happened to my life. You were literally any man's dream girl.
And you are every reasonable girl's prayer.
No, don't flatter me.
It's true.
But yeah, thank you. Should I get you some?
Yeah.
Yeah, you sure?
I'm just...
Get you, man.
I thought I found the one, the love of my life. But then you came along and opened my eyes.
Do you drink?
Couldn't believe it, the truth was hard to see. The one I thought I loved wasn't right for me. You showed me the ugly side, the darkness hidden. I thought I found the one, but he was the devil within. Now I see the truth, because real love is true, and you are the real deal.
Before you came into my life, I thought I knew what true love felt like. But then you came along and showed me what true love is like. I thought he told the truth, but it was all lies. Thank you for your